Okay, in this topic we're going to be learning on how to write word phrases as algebraic expression. Okay, so we're going to be looking at this now. We will have a few tables we can say, and we'll list some words and phrases that will be used to indicate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we will show also how they can be translated to form an algebraic expression. So let's start first of all with addition. So in addition, we put here addition. The phrase will come first, and so we'll write here the sum of a and 8. That translates to a plus 8. It says the sum of means addition of a plus a. 4 plus c, that is translates to 4 plus c. 16 added to m, that translates to 16 added to m. Notice how m came first, okay, because 16 is being added to m, not m being added to 16, although you will get the same result. 4 more than t, so 4 more than t, so we can put t plus 4. 20 greater than f, that is will be f plus 20. 20 greater than f. T increased by r, so t is being increased, so you add r to t. Exceed y by 35, that means that y plus 35. So this is how we can put these phrases into algebraic expression. Now let's put some for subtraction. And we're going to do it the same way. A phrase, then how it translates. Okay, so let me put it here. The difference of 23 and p, and that will translate to 23 minus p, means the difference. Just subtract 550 minus h. So in other words, it means simply subtract h from 550. 18 less than w, so 18 less than w. In other words, it's saying subtract 18 from w. 7 decreased by j, it simply means subtract j from 7. M reduced by x, so m will be subtracted x. And 12 subtracted from L, in other words L less 12. 5 less F, in other words subtract F from 5. So this is for subtraction, this is the phrase, this is how it translates to. So that's for addition and subtraction. Now be careful, if we should have, for example, 20 less than W, we are going to say W take away 20. That's how that reads. Okay, so the terms are reversed in this case. So 20 less than W, well, W less 20. That's what we mean by this. Let's go for multiplication and division. Let's see how they work out. Okay, so for multiplication, let me start by saying here multiplication, and we have a few examples. The phrase comes first as usual, and then what it translates to. The product of 4 and x, That simply translates to 4x, 4 times x. 20 times b, that simply means 20b. Twice r, it simply means 2 times r. Triple the profit p, it simply means 3 times p. 3/4 of m, that means 3 over 4m. That is for multiplication. Notice that you will just combine the letters in this case here, but you need to be careful. Triple means a product of p, 3p. So we're going to do some of few division here now and see how that works. As usual, the phrase will come first, and so let's see how the phrase translates. The quotient of r and 19. The quotient of r and 19 translates as r divided by 19. S divided by 4. So S over 4. The ratio of C to D, that means C over D. K split into 4 equal groups, that means K divided by 4. So that's what it means in division as well as in multiplication. Caution. The phrase greater than is used to indicate addition. Okay, greater than is in addition. The phrase is greater than refers to the symbol, that symbol there, greater than. Similarly, the phrase less than indicates subtraction, and the phrase is less than refers to the symbol this way. So let's write an example here. Let's see how we work with the examples now, combining addition, multiplication, division as well. So let me come here and say now, write each phrase as an algebraic expression. So we're going to write each phrase as an algebraic expression. Number 1, the sum of the length L and the width 20. Well, the sum means addition, so I'm going to put here that the phrase translates to L plus 20, and that's it. 5 less than the capacity C. So how will that translate to? Well, 5 less than the capacity. Well, the capacity is C, subtract 5. That's simply what that means. Just take away 5 from it because you're subtracting from it. The product of the width W and 2000 increased by 300. Let me fix this a little bit here. That's 2000. The product of the width W and 2000 increased by 300. So how will this translate to? Let's see. The product means multiply. Keyword increased by means addition. So the product of the width W and 2000, that will simply be 2000 W. Increase means addition by 300, and that's how that works out too. Okay, so that's how we write out algebraic expression given a word phrase for it.